Number 7, let's do the math. Is this a right triangle? Show your work to justify your choice. It might not be drawn to scale. Alright, so I need to see if the legs squared equal this hypotenuse squared. So I'm going to do, and I need to show this, I need to show 22 squared plus 26 squared and what number that equals. So let's get that number. Plus 26 squared, so I'll see what that equals. 1,160. 1,160. Now I need to also look and see what 34 squared equals, so I can compare these two. 1,056. This is really close to being a right angle right here. But it is not quite a right angle. It is 4 numbers away. Super close. So, what am I going to say? This is not a right triangle. Done.